Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This is the solar water fountain from the company Yzert, Y-Z-E-R-T. The model number of this is SP32D4. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the item and they just want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. I've already taken it out of the box. I did want to show you everything it comes with, and then we'll talk about why I like this fountain versus some of the other ones out there. I wanted to mention it's got this plastic kind of sticker on top of it. All it's really showing you here is that the better the sunlight you've got, the better that the fountain is going to work. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. I have used fountains from this company before and they are always great. I don't know if they use a glass or if it's a hard plastic, but theirs always seem to hold up better for me than some of the other brands that I've tried out there. This one's rather large. What I like about this one versus other models is a couple of different things. One, it has a battery backup. So as it's getting charged throughout the day, when it gets dark, other models will just stop working. This one will continue to work through the night until the battery dies, and then the next morning it will recharge. The other thing is it lights up. So not only is your fountain going to be working at nighttime, but you've also got a light out there. And I just like it from a landscape standpoint to be able to see my bird bath. I think it's kind of cool at nighttime. The other thing that's really nice about this one that you won't find with a lot of bird baths is it has a low water shutoff. So I'm putting it in my bird bath. If I forget to put water in, or if I haven't changed the water in a while and it gets too low, this thing will automatically shut off, versus other companies that theirs will run and basically kill the motor. So pretty simple. We're gonna put it out. We're gonna see what it looks like. They give you a bunch of different head options. Now, you have to be careful with this. If you're putting it in a pond or something, these are great. In a bird bath, it tends to shoot all your water out of the bird bath, so I tend to not use any of these that shoot the water up. This one's a rare exception because this one actually shoots the water down to the side, so this is the one I'll probably be trying on the bird bath to see how it works. They also give you this one that comes with these different heads. You have several of them, and again, it just gives you different spray options for the fountain. They give you a couple extra filters. It is important with solar bird baths to keep the filter clean. If it gets clogged up, you can have trouble getting the water to shoot. And then the nice thing is this company gives you these little arms that you can put at the bottom. It basically keeps your disc in the center of your bird bath so it's not floating all over the place, and that helps with retaining the water. All right, so I wanted to give you a quick look at what it looks like in my bird bath. Now this is what it looks like in daytime. Now this is the nozzle I was showing you, and you can see I'm losing a little bit of water, but once that water level goes down, it should hopefully stay in the bird bath. You can always take all the nozzles off and simply just have the center open where it just kind of moves the water around, but I wanted to at least give you an idea of what it looks like when it's shooting out the water. So we will come back and we'll take a look at it at nighttime. All right, so it is dusk out here, and I thought I would let you look at what the bird bath looks like at nighttime. You do not have to do anything. The bird bath will turn on automatically and it will shut off automatically. Again, the nice thing is it has a built-in rechargeable battery, so the solar panel gets charged throughout the day, and then the water will continue to run at night. I gotta say, now I have my bird bath in an area that gets a lot of sun. It basically runs all night long. Something kind of cool for your backyard. You can look out there and see your bird bath. You can hear the water running if you're sitting out back. I really enjoy it. I think these solar bird baths do a great job of attracting birds to the bird bath. The birds do not care at all. I will try and attach some bird footage to show you birds using the bird bath while the solar fountain is in it. As always, I hope the video helped. This has been a look at the Yzert Solar Bird Bath Fountain. I will link the item accordingly. Thanks for watching.